If you are in need of a new jump rope mat, you're going to want to check this video out. I'm doing a review of the Here Rope Flash Jump Rope Mat. I don't know if you've ever heard of Here Rope. I hadn't, but they recently reached out to me and asked if I would like to test out their new jump rope mat. And I'm going to be going over different aspects of this. We're going to be covering portability, stability, durability, design, size, and price, so you can understand if this mat is something that you want. Let's dive in. This mat is super portable. It weighs less than 9 pounds. It comes with a Velcro strap, so when you roll it up, it's not going to come undone. You can secure it. And even extra bonus that I haven't seen with other jump rope mats is it comes with a carrying bag, which makes it super convenient and easy to care about if you're taking it to the local park or wherever you're going to go get your workout in. Now, when we're talking about stability of the mat, what I'm referring to is, does this mat move around while I'm jumping on it, or does the rope cause it to? So I put it through its paces, I jumped on it from different angles, kind of running into it, and I used my heavy ropes, trying to pound to the front edge to see if this mat would break loose and slide around at all. And surprisingly, it held up really well. It barely slid with some of the heavy ropes, but otherwise, I never felt any movement with my lighter ropes. And even when I was jumping on it from the side or something, it just didn't move. The stability is solid. Now, when it comes to jump rope mats, you definitely want to have a durable mat. We don't want to spend good money and then for it to rip or deteriorate super fast. So I've been putting this thing through its paces for the past 2 weeks. Not just with my regular rope, but I've also been throwing my heavy ropes at it. I've been pounding it with my 2-pound jump rope and trying to hit it in the same spot over and over again, because one, I wanted to see if this yellow design is gonna rub off. And two, I want to see if any of the material is going to come apart or start to show some serious wear. Well, I've only been testing this mat for 2 weeks. I'm confident in the durability of this product because I have an older mat that I've been using for the last 2 years, and they look like they're made of the identical materials. As you can see here from the video, it looks like they're the same product goes into them. So, and based off of the testing so far, it seems to be holding up just as solid. So I think that this is going to be a very durable mat. Now, design is not a super functional aspect of a mat, but however, I mean, if you look at my background, I like fun stuff, and this has a fun design on it. Now, what I do anticipate with this is the yellow looks like it's laid on over the top of this mat. And anytime that you're doing that, eventually I would anticipate some wear and tear on the yellow rubbing off wherever your rope hits the most, especially with heavy ropes. So that's why when I was testing with my 2-pound rope, I was really just pounding this yellow spot, trying to hit in the same spot over and over again. And as you can see, some of the yellow has come off on my rope, but it really hasn't been too bad. And from the side where I've only used my 1/4-pound rope and my lighter rope, my PVC freestyle rope, there's really no marks at all, and I think that it's going to hold up a lot better than I anticipated. This mat is roughly 47 inches wide by 55 inches long. That is just under 4 feet wide and just over 4.5 feet long. Now that's a decent size, and for most people that's going to be fine, but for my personal preference, I like to move around a little bit more when I'm jumping rope. And so that can just lead to the rope catching on the edge of the mat, or you just hitting the concrete off to the side. Now, I was able to move around a decent amount without that happening. However, my ideal size is 4 feet by 6 feet, but this thing seems to be doing just fine. And if you don't move around, if you're just gonna take the mat out and you just are gonna go and get your workout in, stay mostly in the same spot, then this mat's gonna do just fine for you. So let's talk about what you really want to know. You're asking, Kyle, just tell me the price. How much is this going to cost me? This mat comes in at $85.99. I believe this is a great value because my mat that's 4 feet by 6 feet, that's made of the same materials, that's lasted me 2+ years, comes in at over $160. So this thing seems to be a great value. It comes with the carrying bag, the Velcro strap. It's stable, it's portable. I think that it's a great option for anybody who's looking to protect their ropes, protect their body, so they can take their jump roping anywhere they want. Go check them out. I got them linked down below. And of course, if you want to learn any other jump rope skills, check out the other videos on my channel. I will see you in the next video.